some amazing UGC videos for your business. So basically you give Claude Code an instruction to create JSON prompts for a 10-second video, and then he creates it based on your request. After that, you go to Google Flow, you paste it into here, make sure you choose all of these settings, video, ingredients, and this, and do 2. This is the Omni Flash model, 10 seconds. Click submit and it will create 2 UGC videos. Now while we're waiting for those 2, let's watch these 2.
That creator who posts 5 times a day, she's not more disciplined, she stopped editing. ZippyClip does it all. Cuts, captions, and posts everywhere. Comment ZippyClip and I'll send it. That creator who posts 5 times a day.
Fantastic. Then you can download it and upload it to all your channels using ZippyClip. Now look at the next one.
That creator who posts 5 times a day, she's not more disciplined, she just stopped editing. I film it once and ZippyClip cuts it. Comment ZippyClip below. That creator who posts 5 times a day, she's not more disciplined, she just stopped.
Now let's go see the videos that were generated from the most recent JSON prompt provided by Claude.
This is me posting to all 5 platforms. I film it once, ZippyClip cuts it, captions it, posts everywhere while I do nothing. This is me posting to all.
Alright, didn't like that one. There were a few AI glitches there. Let's check this one out.
This is me posting to all 5 platforms right now. Yep, right now. I film it once, ZippyClip cuts it, captions it, adds the effects, and posts everywhere while I do absolutely nothing. Comment ZippyClip and I'll send it to you. This is me posting to all 5 platforms right now. Yep, right now. I film it once.
So to get Claude to do this for you, all you need to do is, this is the prompt you need. Let me go right to the beginning of this conversation. This has been an ongoing conversation. So, hey, listen, I needed you to provide me with a perfect 10-second video clip from an AI video generator. And the purpose of the video will be literally no text, whatever your needs are. And then, so I want your response in JSON format. This is the keywords you want to use. And then it creates something like this. And then you test it and then you give it feedback based on what it's done for you, so that till it gets perfect. Make it even more viral. And then I keep asking him to make it even more viral. I'm going to copy that, go back to the Google Labs app, paste it down here, and send, and it will generate 2 at the same time. Now, if you already have a Google Plus account, you don't even have to pay for this. You get 1,000 credits a month, which is enough for about, I think it's about 50 or 60 videos every single month. So you create them till your credits run out, and then they reset. Fantastic. Follow for more amazing AI tools and tips.